Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tutorial Race. So in this video today I'm just going to tell you all how you can create a 3D photo in Canva without any time waste. Let's start the video. And do you wanna see who is disturbing me to give this intro? Check this out. He is just disturbing me, and what can I say, like this is my third intro actually. So yeah, without time let's start the video and let's go to laptop screen.
So I am in laptop screen and now I am going to show you that what we are going to create or make in this video. So we are going to create these 3D image. Okay, so step by step I am going to show you. So if you are going to like this video, or if so, before starting this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. And we are going to so I am in laptop screen, and now let me show you that what we are going to create. We are going to create or make this 3D image. So before starting this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon also so that you can get all the notifications of our video. Okay, so without a time waste, let's start the video. We have to open over here Canva. Now click on create. There's option customize size. We have to click on this. You have to write 1920 1080 pixel. Create a new design. Okay, you have to click on this. Actually this size is for YouTube thumbnail, and we have to click on this. After that there's a option upload. Okay, so whatever image you want to, you can upload over here. You have to click on this upload image. You have to choose that image. There's option okay, you have to click on that. After that you can see there's a lot of image, like I'm going to choose this one for an example. Okay, so I have to edit this one. If you want then only you can edit. I'm just going to use a filter over here, Capri, for a little saturation and contrast also. So we have to resize this one a little bit. If you want then you can fill up this box totally. I'm not going to fill up this, I'm just using this till over here. Okay, so now what we have to search, we have to click on elements. You have to choose write D over here, type D over here, and you have to click on enter. There's a frame D. Okay, you have to choose this one, and before that you have to click on this image. If you want to like horizontally rotate this or flip this one so you can flip this image. How you can flip? You just have to click on this. I'm going to flip this one. So we have to click on this flip horizontal. You have to choose this one. Now we have to fill up this one totally. Okay, like this. So I'm going to set this image till over here, like we have to resize even a little bit more. Okay, like this. Now what we have to do, we have to choose this background once again. From here upload, once again you have to choose this image. You have to flip this one horizontally. You have to resize this one like this. Okay, now you have to edit this one. I'm going to use Capri over here. And now what we have to do, we have to select this image just, and there's a frame, you have to set this on. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to select this T. We have to double click over here, and now you have to completely fix this one so that it can fix like this. Okay, so we have to just choose this one. We have to copy duplicate, like click duplicate over here and over here. Now what we are going to, we are just going to use this stroke style. Okay, so you have to click on stroke style. You have to choose this till at least 1, and from here you can choose a stroke color. Whatever color you want, you can totally like you can use that color. I'm going to use this white color over here, and after that you have to click on edit and now adjust. There's a brightness, you have to minus 100. Okay, like this. So now what we have to do, like, wait a second, we have to resize this one like this. Okay, so now we are going to use shadow, or else we can use shadow later on also. Now just we have to remove background from here. You can, like, if you have option over here, you can remove from here, or else you have to click on edit, and that's option bg removal. You can click on this. Okay, so I'm going to remove from here, and you have to drag this one till over here like this, and resize this one actually. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now what we have to do, we just have to click on share, we have to click on download, that's option transparent background. You have to click on this and download this image. Okay, so when you are going to download this image, after that you have to add this image, and you have to upload image. Like, you have to upload this file, you have to choose from here, you have to open, and it will automatically upload over here. Okay, so after that you have to click on this, and you have to resize this image from here. Okay, like this, or else you can yeah, we are not going to like this. Okay, okay, so now what we have to do, like this. So now what we have to do, we just have to copy this one, or else you can use background over here, like border over here. So you have to click on edit, that's a option shadow, there's a drop, you can use this one. From here you can, like, the blur amount, like this is going to be 10, or else there's a lot of, like, glow, drop, outline, angle, page lift, curve, then backdrop, like this, direction, which direction you want. Okay, like this you can, or intensity, like the darkness. So intensity I want 60 at least. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. After that you have to click on duplicate over here. So after that you have to click on flip, and flip vertical, you just have to drag this one downwards. Okay, like this. And now what we are going to do, we are going to choose background color over here. Okay, so we are going to click on this background white color, and now there's an option background color. You have to choose this one. There's a lot of color. If you like this color within these all, there's there's option background color. You have to click on this. There's a lot of color. If you want, then you can select from here, or else if you don't like any color from here, then you can choose from here. There's a lot of color, like whatever color you want, you can choose from here directly. Okay, and as you can see, it is looking a little bit 3D image. So now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on this. There's an option transparency. You have to click on this. You just have to decrease the transparency. Okay, like this, as you can see. So a little bit, like for an example, I'm going to use 30 over here. Okay, 30. So as you can see, it is definitely looking like 3D image. Now we are going to write our channel name, tutorial race. Okay, from here we can use font. We are going to choose this font, whatever font you can choose from here directly. Actually, there's a lot of font. whatever font you want you can use from here. Okay, I'm going to choose this one only, so that's why. So we have to resize this one, and I'm going to fit this image left corner over here. Okay, so now what how we can download? We just have to share download. We don't have to click on this transparent background. Okay, you have to cancel this one. That's a select image. Like if you want to download this both pages, like first page also and second page also, then you can download both. But if you want this second page only, then you just have to choose this one. You have to select this one, and you have to select this page, like second page, and done. After that you have to download from here. Okay, easily. So I guess you all have understand that how you can create 3D photo. So if you like this video, so meet you in the next video with a great new topic, great new video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all, bye bye, bye bye.